Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will see most powerful open source ERP, that is iDempiere. Here we can see few links here. We can see three options here. Okay, first option is a iDempiere server monitor. Okay, here you can check there are few information related to the server monitor. Okay, here few processor, accounting processor is running, and you can see status here, started. There are few information here, database related and iDempiere related information is here. There are few logs file here, and you can delete and reload trace file from here. Okay, there are few information related to the processor here. Okay, and let's check second option, that is plugin console. This is basically Felix web console where you can delete, update, delete, refresh, start, stop the plugin. Okay, you can delete from here. You can check install, update plugin here. Okay, there are few option here. Okay, start bundle, refresh bundle, and install version in parallel. Okay, there are start level. You can set any level like 1 2 3 4. Okay, because the iDempiere is using level 0. Okay, you can start plugin from here, refresh, reset and delete. Okay, if you want to refresh all plugin packages, then you can do here. Okay, you can search any plugin from here like iDempiere base plugin, iDempiere process plugin. Okay, there are IDs here for plugins, name and version, which version of plugins is currently deployed, you can check here, and their status is. Okay, let's check third option, that it get evolve. Okay, all the commits of iDempiere you can check here. Okay, let's start with login page now. Okay, login page. Okay, here you can check few credentials. Okay, if you want to log in super user, system, gardenware, you can use anyone. I am using a super user iDempiere login. Okay, and password is a system. Okay, you can check version of iDempiere. This is latest version 10.0.0. you can check database version. This is a script file, last script run on the database. Vendor name you can check here, iDempiere community. Okay, OS host name you can check. This test.idempiere.org is a test organization website. You can check from your system also. This is available for all for testing. Okay, I am using super user at idempiere.com and password is a system. You can select any language you want, like in Indonesia, Bahasa, Italiano, any language you want to use. I am using English. Select all. If you want to select all, then you can check select all. I am checking select all and remember me option. Okay, I am using user as a gardenware. You can check system or gardenware. Gardenware is a basically user side. Okay, user. There is a role for gardenware user. I am using gardenware admin. Default organization, you can select any organization you want to log in with. Okay, and default warehouse. This is basically a warehouse of organization. This is a Casa Central is a default warehouse of fertilizer organization. Okay, and date, you can select any date, like you can select a past date if you want to login with the past date. You can select a future date also if you want to login with a future date. Okay, if you have any question related to iDempiere, you can comment down the video. Okay, let's login. Okay, this is the home page of the iDempiere. You can see we have login with the Gardenwood super user, organization is the fertilizer, and role is a Gardenwood admin. You can check feedback, change role here. You can change the role, any role you want to login with, and you can select all here. Okay, system purchase role, there is no favorite items here. Okay, let's go to Gardenwood again, organization, fertilizer, and default is a Casa Central warehouse. Okay, let's check a preference. Here are some options: automatic commits, automatic new record, manage gadget. You can, if you want to show any gadgets from home, like activities, these are the all the panel you can manage from the manage gadget. Okay, like if you do not want to show donate on the home page, then you can deselect it. You can deselect views if you don't want to show on the home page. One click home, it will be unavailable from the home page. Okay, let me add this again. Okay, donate views. Okay, here you can see activities basically shows the number of activities. Okay, like how many requests you have done, workflow activities, how many sales order you have received today. Okay, pending customer shipment. You can create your own activity, like how many number of payments received today, how many number of purchase order received today, how many invoice created today. Okay, all the activities you can show here. Okay, this is the view. Okay, this is basically a info window. This is called info window in iDempiere. You can filter any data from a particular table if you want to. Okay, like payment info, if you want to check payment info, then you can use this info window. Okay, on refresh, this will show all the payments which are available in the system currently. Okay, we can filter it like by business partner, by document number. Suppose okay, suppose document number currently is 45 times 0. Okay, and refresh again, you can see particular record coming. Okay, you can create any info window you want to create for any tables. Here you can check performance, like open invoices, total open service request. Okay, this is a Google Calendar. You can create any event you want to create for a particular date by clicking on it. Okay, like currently you can see 2 request is available. Okay, I am creating another request. This is video demo request. Okay, and on save, you can see request currently 2. On refresh requery, it will be 3. Okay, on clicking on request, you can see all 3 requests here. You can use this navigate bar to navigate to next record, and you can use shortcut key like alter left arrow, alter right key, left key. Okay, okay, this is the information, this is the request we just created. Okay, this panel here, favorites panel, shows the all favorite windows or process or info windows all the things you want, favorites, like if you are using any window daily, like multiple time in a day, you can add that window in the favorites, so you can easily access that. Okay, you have like you may have multiple window access, like okay, this is the hierarchy of windows which we have access. Okay, like there are many windows here, you can drag and drop here to add in the favorite items. Okay, like okay, and this is the recent item basically shows the all the window which have updated or created recently, like currently it has css style user image. Okay, let me create one user. Okay, like user is a test user. Okay, and business partner would be Carl. Search key, there is no business partner like Kyle. Okay, let's check all the business partner available. Okay, there are few business partner here. I am selecting Joy Block. Okay, and okay, and it will save automatically, and you can see this user on recent item. Currently we have, okay, a recent item currently shows the 10 items. You can update sysconfig to show multiple more item like 15, 20. There is one sysconfig, okay, for this, like recent. Okay, this sysconfig will be used to show more item in the recent item. Currently value is a 10. You can set 15 or 20 item also. Uh, we can check later this. Okay, we will check later this. Okay, let's check sysconfig. That sysconfig we discuss. Okay, let me log in with a system user. Okay, password is same, system. Okay, tenant is system, role is system, organization is a star organization. Okay, sysconfig. Okay, okay, I'm updating it to the 15 item currently. Okay, and save. Let's change the role. Let's log into the super user again. System, select all, garden world, ID. Okay, now you can see here 15 item you can see here. Okay, so this is a basic intro for iDempiere. Please subscribe to the channel. We will see more depth about iDempiere in the future video. To customize iDempiere we will see from the code side also, so subscribe channel, and we in the next video we will see how to create a window and subtab for the window in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching.